wearing black shirt on? Who can my friend be? We have two friends here. Who's wearing black shirt? What are their names? We have here Theodore and Cedric. Hi. Can you find my friend today? Friend today, friend today. Can you find my friend today? Who can my friend be? My friend's wearing blue dress on, blue dress on, blue dress on. My friend's wearing blue dress on. Who can my friend be? Who's wearing a blue dress? Vivian. Vivian. Hi, Vivian. Can you find my friend today? Friend today, friend today. Can you find my friend today? Who can my friend be? My friend's wearing violet blouse, violet blouse, violet blouse. My friend's wearing violet blouse. Who can my friend be? Who's friend? Who's wearing violet blouse? Kylie. Please. Kylie. Hi, Kylie. Can you find my friend today? Friend today, friend today. Can you find my friend today? Who can my friend be? My friend's wearing red jacket, red jacket, red jacket. My friend's wearing red jacket. Who can my friend be? We are friends that always wears a red jacket. Who's that? Friend of ours who likes to wear red jacket is Neve. Neve. Hi, everybody. Say hi, Neve. Hi. Now, are you ready to listen to the sound of letter Z? Ready? But first, we have to sing our alphabet song. The alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job, everybody. Let's clap for ourselves. Yay! Okay. We will listen now to the sound of what letter again? Z. Z. Okay. Listen to the sound of letter Z. Okay, the sound of C is just like the V. Again, let's listen again to the sound of letter Z.